In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize pages in HubSpot. Whether you want a website page or a landing page, HubSpot makes it easy to design professional pages without any coding. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and navigating to the Content section. Here, you'll see options for website pages and landing pages. Choose the type of page you want to create. For this example, we'll go with website pages. Next, click Create Website Page. HubSpot will give you a variety of templates to choose from, or you can start with a blank page if you prefer to build everything from scratch. Browse through the options and pick a template that fits your goals. Once you've selected it, click Use to open the page editor. Now you're in the page editor, which is where the fun begins. You can add text, images, buttons, and other modules by using the plus icon to drag and drop elements wherever you want. Customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand, and make the page visually appealing. As you make changes, use the preview option to see how your page will look on desktop and mobile devices. When you're happy with the design and content, click Publish to make your page live. And that's it. You've just created and customized a page in HubSpot, giving you a professional space to showcase your content, products, or services. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful HubSpot tutorials.